Hi everyone, I am going to explain about ensuring random number generator is properly seeded. So what is pseudo random number generator? A pseudo random number generator is a deterministic algorithm capable of generating sequence of numbers that approximates the property of random numbers. Each sequence is completely determined by initial state uh, and an algorithm for changing the state. Uh, the pseudo random generator algorithm uses an initial state and an algorithm to generate a sequence. So in most of the pseudo random number generators, it is possible to set initial state called seeding state. Setting the initial state is called seeding the pseudo random number generator. So what happens when we are giving same initial state to the pseudo random number generator? That means we are not seeding the initial state properly. Uh, it results in generating same sequence of random numbers in different runs of program. I mean, how many times we run that program with that initial state as same, we'll get the same sequence of values. So a pseudo random number generator is widely used in the applications like cryptography. Improperly seeding or failing to seed the pseudo random number generator can lead to various vulnerabilities. There are so many pseudo random number generator algorithms. One such thing is Messine twister engine. Here I am going to explain non-compliant code example with using Messine twister engine. So it will seed the initial value as same for every run. Here I am trying to generate 10 random numbers. I'll run the program. What I am getting is sequence of 10 values. If I run the subsequent time, I'll get the same values. How many times I run, it doesn't matter. See, the values are same. So here I am using the slightly better version of the previous code. This code is an improvement, but it is still unsuitable. I'm using time to seed the initial value. It is unreliable because when an attacker can control the time, it is very easy to exploit the program, the cryptography algorithms, such things. Here I am running. We might get different outputs, but the attacker can mm, control the seeding values. So here is the compliant solution, which uses a random device to seed the initial value of the engine. Here I am seeding the engine with the random device generator. Uh, the values generated by this random device are non-deterministic random numbers. Uh, I mean, the initial values generated should have sufficient random numbers to serve the seed value. Here I provided the solution to ensure that pseudo-random number generator is always properly seeded with initial seed value that will not be predictable or controllable by an attacker. A properly seeded pseudo-random generator will generate a different sequence each time it runs. So here is the output of the program. If we run the subsequent time, next time we will get the different output. How many times we run, it is guaranteed that we will not get the same sequence of numbers. Thank you.